Yeah, definitely. What it do, gang? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video. Nah, I'm just playing. With Tay Nokio over there, Jay Nokio in the back with a headache. I got a headache, and this big. I took Excedric, and it's this big. Head gang ass boy Jay, what's up, man? What's wrong? What's hurting? Oh man, I hope you feel better though. You gotta go home and get you some Mucinex. Oh my God, this girl cannot drive. Slow down, shorty, slow.
First of all, I can drive.
God, she cannot drive, man.
This not my car. I'm used to driving a car.
We putting Tate out. But anyway, guys, we is here. We at Sammy's Tires. There is no time to really turn the camera. Pull up there. I'm gonna see if I can keep these 34s here so they can mount them up. Ooh, the truck sitting up over there. Ooh.
Want me to bag it?
Them motherfuckers look a little small though. They look a little small, but it's looking good. Are y'all ready? Is you ready? Is they ready? Tay, hit them with the eyes like this. You gotta go, is they ready? Let me see. We gonna ask Jay, he back there. He back there feeling, him don't feel good, man. You ready to get out? Tay, Nokio, let's check out the truck, man. I know y'all wanna see the truck. Y'all don't wanna see me talk, man. We got to get out. Take a look at the truck, man. Private investigation. Oh. That boy sitting right. Gotta get a wash. Oh, I got my mud flaps back on too. Hey, what you think, Tay? Oh.
I like how they sit.
They sitting what, the red?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta get my caps though. Ooh, that. And look at that tire size. So you know we on the road as normal. Oh yeah, they killed this. They killed it. You think we should show them yet?
The next day.
Or should we show them something else? They got these extra tight pants on today.
Listen, it's not my
Look, I'm gonna show y'all how tight they is. Look, you can't even. You ain't got no room in there. Let me quit playing for my baby mama beat me up. Oh, I just flipped it on the truck, man. Look at the truck, guys. Oh, we got the 30-inch Forgies on the truck. Hey. Yeah. Definitely. Sitting up good. Damn. I like it. Got the leveling kit put up front. What'd you say? Shit, do it. I don't know, maybe because it's dirty. That's a bad boy. Look like it too? Yeah. That motherfucker sitting up, ain't it? Ooh, that boy nasty. I gotta get a wash. Man. Damn. Damn. Man.
What?
Came out perfect, man. I'm talking about it's perfect. Yeah, they can't see. I'm smiling, man. Shit, this is a lot of grind.
Okay.
I'm crying. No, it's windy out. That's why I'm crying. What you think, Tay?
I like it.
Jay's so
really
sick
like
he can't even get out. Yeah, it matched the Z. It matched the Z71 up here. And like I said, I got the leveling kit put up front. Oh yeah, they done left the tags on here. You know what I'm saying? We gotta pop the collar. Pop the collar on the Forgies. Hold on. Let me pop my collar on the Forgies. Got me a nice little hauler right here. Let me see. I think they took it off this one. Yeah. Hold on. Is it off over there, Tay? What'd you say? Yep. Let me pop my collar. All right. Got it off. He said I got to bring it back for something with the alignment up front. because Jose hurt himself. But man, we gotta get this boy chopping. It's gonna chop. What? Sit in the car.
I said it's sitting up high.
Oh, I thought you said I gotta sit in the car. I thought you was cold. Thinking it's summertime.
I said it's sitting up high.
But you know what? It always sit like this. But I got the leveling kit on there. Then it's on the tilt. So it's tilting. I ain't got no keys. I gotta wait. But no, push that sunroof back.
I'm tired of walking up on buildings and I'm like, short.
Push that sunroof back. You dig?
You know, get the running boards.
Nah. I don't like them. Like, I don't know why. I just don't think they fit the truck. I've seen them on this truck. I don't like them.
Right.
Yeah. We got to get some chopping footage when we get up to the shop. I'm gonna wait on Junior guys, and then I'm gonna get up to the shop and get some chopping footage for y'all in the parking lot. Take Nokio to get something to eat, and then we're gonna get the truck washed. I want to put a picture up, but it ain't clean yet. So when we get everything right, then we're gonna do all that. So plenty more videos come. Now I'm motivated to get my interior done, so that's definitely place that order probably Monday. Damn, can you even get in there now? No, we ain't sitting that high. 30s was perfect on there. 30s was perfect. Them wheels, and for those who was asking, those are the wheels that was on. This is the same wheel that I got on the SS, but the SS is ECL, and they come out to the front. And I just wanted to put, like, I was thinking like, damn, where can I put a simple clean wheel on here? And it was that one, of course. What you doing?
I'm putting it in my hand.
Hold on, look. J Nokio doing back here too. Yeah, I know you sick, my guy. You ain't get out to look at the truck. What you think? Can you see it from here, or you too dizzy, or you seeing 6 wheels instead of 4? You like it? Man, we finna get my boy to the shop, man. I know you don't feel good. We gotta get my boy Jay to the shop, so we gonna put Tay on the camera. And when we get to the shop, and I'm gonna do some little swerving around, get that feel for it, see how it's chopping. Yo, gang, I'm back, man. The truck drives so smooth and good. It still ain't lost nothing. It feel like I'm sitting up a little bit higher. But I want to go back to the shop and like get y'all footage in the parking lot, guys. But it's just not gonna work out. Wine got a party at 6. I want to get the truck washed and shoot the video the right way. But I want to get this video up, man, so y'all can see the truck. I ain't really test drove it. I was trying to see what Nick got over here, but we about to get the truck washed up. Let me see. Oh, he got Sugar Man box out here. That's what he got out here. I'm ready to swerve on him. Oh, we got that full U-turn, no scrub, no rub. Man, I can't wait to see these wheels chopping on camera, but y'all already know, man, that's coming next video. We're gonna clean it up and get it done the right way. Look what we got out there. We got the Shug Mobile over there. Hopefully wind back. The box. I'm gonna go around, walk around this thing one more time real quick. Let me see what he got over there. Oh man, his brother always here cleaning this stuff, man. Look at him. Every time I'm here, I caught him. Oh, something falling. Okay. Yeah, he over there with his little music playing over there. We ain't going over there. Hey, this boy sitting, guys. Sitting. 30's perfect on this big boy. When that sun hit, yeah, smashing. I'm talking about smashing. We're gonna do another video. Y'all know another video coming. We ain't gonna go over there. We're gonna let him enjoy all this little music and stuff he playing. We got Shug got the box Chevy over here. Finna get his sounds redone. On the Forgiatos spinning caps. We see you, Shug. I just got off the phone with him. We supposed to be eating crab legs today. What happened, Big Bunny? Panoramic roof up there. Shuffle, baby. Lips for days. Wonder what the hell Nick doing in here. I didn't even know he was back. Peek in there and see if he in there. Probably locked. Yep, it's locked. He must have left. Oh man. But anyway, guys, I need the whole 32 gang to get in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about the truck, man. We just got a lot of crazy good stuff going on this year. Trying my best to bring the best footage I can. And now that it's warming up outside, fishing actually over tomorrow, and I was supposed to go, but it's just gonna be too nice. Plus, I got the truck back. I don't want to just take it straight to the lake and the gravel. I want to actually get some good videos and some driving footage and come out and enjoy our first close to 60 day in months. So with that being said, guys, I'm finna wait on Juan and Tenokio to pull up. Jay got sick, so I just sent them back to the shop, and I guess she finna get us food, and we gonna hang out and shoot some vlogs. I gotta shoot some vlogs for the other channel, and then shit, after that I'm going to the crib and lay it down. Lay it down. This dude right here, get the cars clean. But anyway, guys, it's your boy CJ on 32 checking out with another video. I'm out, man. Gang.